Hello everyone, how to Totes back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to create your account or how to start chatting with Saylo AI character story chat. So first of all you need to install it in your device, then simply tap on the open button. Then you can see, okay, I'm just going to don't allow this time. You can see the interface like this. So like you can set your profile here now, or you can change it later. So I'm just going to choose the interest like a gender preference. So female or male, you can type it, non-binary, okay. And story, gender preference, romance, fantasy, mystery, science fiction. Then simply tap start discovery. Then you'll get here all the things for you, like you can my boyfriend. You can see here a lot of story and you can talk with them. So here you can see the option. So now it's really simple. You don't need to create your account, or if you want to create your account, then simply come here on this my profile, simply tap on the login button. Then you can create your login, create your account with Google or email or phone number. So simply tap on the continue with Google. So I already tap on my Gmail ID, so here you can see. So completely created my account. I will create more video how to use this app in upcoming tutorial.